Can they boost your copay? Don't you know what to say?
We have all the firepower we need here. So, and here, I'll put it to you like this. There's people talk about policy and people organize about policy, okay? So we're into organizing. That's the name of our group, Single Parent. We're into organizing. So we've asked you to fill out a postcard to the President about supporting HR 676. When you leave, we would love it if you took maybe 7 of these postcards with you so that you could become a disciple for this movement, because we can't talk to all of you, but we need people to reach out to others. So if you can do that, then we'll get them, and yeah, they'll probably get an email, a statement twice a year. You're in the Bay Area once a month. But then we collect these and we figure out, they're addressed to Obama, and we figure out what congressional district they're from. We go visit those congresspeople and we say, here's whatever it is, 57 or 157 postcards from your constituents, and you go, on your trip to Washington, D.C., deliver these to President Obama for single-payer health care. We have that. We also have over there, I hope you take a bumper sticker with you. It's a clear message, healthcare, yes, insurance companies, no. We have these t-shirts. We didn't bring extras to sell. We had these hats over here too. And then we grab a brochure on the way out. And I think we have some, maybe you saw some buttons over there. How many people are from out of state? Okay, excellent. You hold up one of those buttons. You should get one of these buttons. They're pretty. At the Golden Gate Bridge, they say single payer now, and you can go home and say, here I have a souvenir, and you can wear it and become a disciple for single payer healthcare. All right, so I want to go have 2 speakers go first, and then we'll open the floor up. Walter Tsou is going to go first, and then Andy Coates. Walter Tsou is, here, I'll go backwards. Andy Coates is the incoming president of Physicians for a National Health Program. They just had their annual meeting here on Saturday, and he lives in Albany, New York, and knows everything about everything. And I think you're a psychiatrist? No? No. Medical internist, I'm sorry. Okay, all right. So he's the incoming president of Physicians for National Health Care Program. The organization has, what, 15, 18,000 members? 18 or 19,000 members whose the sole reason they exist is to fight for universal health care with single-payer financing. So if you're a doctor and that's your specialty, besides your medical specialty, your political specialty is single-payer health care, he's the guy to see. And Hank Abrons is here from the California chapter of Physicians for a National Health Program, and at some point they have brochures they can hand out to people to join.
Just walk around and pass them now while you're...
Okay, all right.
And I would also say that it doesn't have to be your specialty. If you're in support of it, join.
Yeah, okay, there you go. Right, excellent. Okay.
Don, if I could just say, if people are healthcare providers or public health people and want to join, that's great. And otherwise, I encourage you, you can also join even if you're not, but I encourage you to take one and give it to your doctor or your nurse practitioner or nurse midwife or whatever, okay? Ask them to join.
Excellent, okay. All right, so our first speaker is Walter Tsou, and some of you from APHA may know him. He's a past president of the American Public Health Association.
Board of National Board of Pfizer.
He's a leading member of the Physicians for National Health Program, Physicians for National Health Program. And you're a professor at University of Pennsylvania, health policy, and he's the past health commissioner of the city of Philadelphia. So he knows. This is we have very rich speakers here tonight, and I can see a bunch of other people who we could have on the panel and make it a really long panel and know everything about everything. Anyway, so Walter's going to give a broad economic viewpoint of what's going on in the United States, and then Andy will focus more in on 676 and why we're fighting for it. So Walter, you're up. Teach.
Well, thank you, Don. And I do want to acknowledge that we have really a wealth of experts in the room here.